Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping the area so your work is precise and safe. Clean the brow area thoroughly, then brush hairs upward with a spoolie. Mark the start, arch, and tail points lightly with pencil so you know where to remove hair. Next, cut cotton thread about 18 to 22 cm and make a secure double knot in the center. This forms the pulling point. Once done, test the twist tension on small hair away from the face to confirm control and comfort. You now form the working twist and begin removal. Hold the thread ends between thumb and forefinger, then rotate to create 6 to 8 tight twists in the middle. This is your snatching mechanism. Position the twisted segment over the row of hairs you want gone at roughly a 45 degrees angle, so the twist traps roots. Then, move the fingers to open and close the loop. Pinch closed to catch hair, pull closed, and slide in the direction of hair growth. This reduces breakage and pain. You finish by refining shape and soothing skin for best results. After threading, inspect both brows for symmetry. Use pointed tweezers to remove any stubborn single hairs rather than rethreading the same spot immediately. Once balanced, apply a cold compress for a few minutes, then a thin layer of aloe vera or calming gel to calm inflammation and prevent irritation. If you see patchy spots or excess redness, make sure to wait 48 to 72 hours before rethreading that area to avoid skin trauma.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.